once again.
Hey you guys, this your girl Country Cash App, and I'm back with another video. And you should already know I'm just coming to check up on y'all while I eat my chicken wings, y'all. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, pick that bell notification to be notified for every video I do. Last night I was depressed, so I didn't upload no videos because I do go through depression. And I have an anxiety attack. So I do have my moments, y'all. What about now? I'm just going through some stuff I've been thinking about, but I'm gonna get through that. Make sure we got 800 subscribers, y'all. Wanna pray. God's great, God is good, and thank you for this food. Our heads we are fed. Thank you for all the bread. Thank you for healing me, covering me. Thank you for my subscribers. Thank you, bless them, all 800 of them, and as long as you pray. Amen. We just got us some wings, y'all. I'm sipping on a little drink. Not alcohol, a little sweet. I think it's strawberry lemonade. But half of these are lemon, and the other half is garlic and pepper. So it's really lemon, garlic, pepper wings. I was coming to check up on y'all because I know I haven't uploaded no video. But like I said yesterday, I went to the hospital. That morning. Because my heart was racing real bad, and then plus on top of that, I had asthma. I had acute bronchitis. Fucked with my breathing a lot. That's why I've been uploading videos lately. Well, I do miss y'all so much, though. I miss the Diamond Empire gang. I guess you can say I just cooked these fresh hour degrees. Happy Black History Month. I want to say that. My leg. It's been hard, y'all, going through it. Anxiety and depression at the same time. Can't be going through that. No matter how the fuck I look, today I woke up, went and paid some bills, came back home, cleaned up, cause the house need to be cleaned. And it's me. And I'm putting a little strawberry lemonade in the cup. And these are all flat. I don't like drum, like all flats. I want to thank everyone who subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. We're 800 deep. Almost close to that 1K. One K, almost 1K deep. We at 800 now. I'm pay some bills today. I went to fill my prescription on my medicine to make sure I'm making nice videos for y'all like this. Continue. I'm just enjoying my life, y'all. You know. Birthday next month, y'all. We're gonna be 32. That's so crispy. Look, that's my flavorful, crispy, and tender inside. And hot. Okay, I'm gonna check up on y'all and see how y'all guys are doing. I hope you got your blessing. I hope God continues to bless my subscribers. I hope God continues to bless subscribers that want to come. I think now I'm looking at life a whole lot different now. My eyes are opening up wider. And my surroundings are, I'm looking at my surroundings. My leg weak me out. That's it. Hope God continues to bless you guys. Happy Thursday. You guys have a blessed, safe, warm weekend. And sending all my prayers to Texas, to everyone who was infected by that massive winter storm that hit the United States of America. Happy Black History Month once again. And I love you guys so much. A new video uploaded tomorrow, so tune in, you guys. 800 subscribers. Let's get to that 1K. And then the giveaway. And give you Queen on Monday. Toodles.